Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, in this collection you see the short haircuts ideas for girls who are interested in short bob haircuts. This collection is all about fashion, before and after look, and you know the fashion is a form of self-expression, and about the clothing, about the lifestyle, about the accessories, makeup, hairstyle, and body postures. So, guys, if you love my YouTube channel, then your first priority to subscribe to my channel. Hairstyle and haircut refers to the styling of hair, usually on a human scalp. So guys, if you love my YouTube channel, then your first priority to like to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel. If you like my YouTube channel, haircuts, bob haircuts, short haircuts look so amazing guys. Before and after looks so crazy, and everyone like this because the haircuts is very beautiful. Pixie haircuts are undoubtedly one of the most cutest kind of the haircut for women, and many people like the pixie haircuts mean letting go of your hair, and most amazing haircuts is the pixie haircuts, and most demanding haircuts fine layer haircuts. So guys, here is increase your beauty and give the more ideas. Short haircuts where the back and the sides of your head will have slightly longer than the rest of your head. So guys, if you like to my YouTube channel, then subscribe, and in this collection you see the beautiful ideas of haircuts like butterfly haircut, air bangs, the power bob, and the modern haircuts, long haircuts, short haircuts. So thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel, and the short bob haircuts, the chin length haircuts with mid length, and the bob will most demanding in 2022. Shorter the better. And another the similar hairstyle trending this year is the pixie haircuts, and the combination of bob and the pixie cuts. So thank you so much guys to watch the video, to like the video, and to share my video with your family and friends. Keep watching and stay with me with the